Make it look fancy. And there it is. See, problem, new problem. Can you help? Status. See, status is new. See, that's something we skipped, guys. So here's what we can do here. We can go in here, go into our fields, go into here, do this ticket status, then we're gonna drag it. See, we don't even have to actually put this ticket status for them to see it for their own eyes, because unless you want to actually create a ticket that automatically has a certain value, and then we can just go in here. You know what? Never mind. I'm wrong. Add ticket status just to make it easier. Move it up. Maybe at the top. I don't know. Maybe below the title. And then we'll even add a priority. Why not, right? Why not? Why not put a priority there too? So ticket status and priority. So we can do it right away. And that's the easiest way to do it. And then it's pre-populated. Okay, and that is all we got to do with that. So before, we don't have no ticket status for this guy. So we need to go into our tickets that we created. It has no status on this one. Let's just say it's a status of new. And then a priority of normal. Save. Done. Now, next time we do this, when we run this again, by the way, we're going to see that the ticket status is not going to show up again as usual. There it is. New, new, new. Okay. Now, what if you wanted to make it a priority? Like, make a priority as a button. Can you do that? Yes, you can. That's what I just thought of just right now. So, let's make it a priority. So, when you don't see this here, right? We can when this is shown, it means it's priority. But when it's not shown, what are we gonna do? Well, maybe I think I saw a flash with a no flash, right? No flash. No flash. So we'll say flash first. No flash. No flash means it's not a priority yet. So we'll make it like gray, right? Don't make it stand out much. Just there. It's not a priority. But if you click it, let's make it a priority. Doesn't that sound good? Alright. So let's go into that thing. And this one is, yeah, something visible. So if the ticket priority is not equal to 10, show it. Okay, so because I just copied the other icon and dragged it over, and then it had if it was equal to 10, I said it's not equal to 10, then show it. That means that if it's not equal to 10, then I can set it as a priority if I want to, and the other one will not show up because it's not. So then we add an action to that link, update current ticket to what? To status. Okay, so priority. We can't do that so easily, can we? You know what? Actually, I realized that we even add we did add a priority here. Yeah, we just put 10 here. That's all we gotta do. Put 10. I know that's not exactly right, because what it should also say is in the name, it should say, what is it? Let's look and see what it's supposed to say. It's supposed to say hi. So go back over to here, back into our icon here, double click, get in there. One more. Okay. Hi. Done. Alright. So what's gonna happen as soon as we click on that sucker, it's gonna turn to red. Ah, we got a bug. Let's see what it is. We'll see you in the next video. We'll figure it out. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm in the next video. I'm getting ready to figure out why this thing didn't do what I wanted it to do, even though I clicked the 2. Okay, I'm gonna double click on this thing. I think it's because that text is there. So I'll move this underneath here like this. It might even line up to the top there, because the fact that This one's not there. Let's just see how that looks real quick. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully, this is getting interesting. It's going to be interesting, and it's going to be useful for you creating your own personal app and good experience. And I will try my best to give the details so that you don't leave yourself any kind of confusion. But if you like this video and you like the other videos, please like, subscribe, suggest, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah.